In this video, I will show you how to build a preset library in Premiere Pro. If this guide helps, please consider liking and subscribing so others can see it too. What's up guys, my name is Kyle from Guidewise. I just created a zoom blur effect. If I play the video, you will see it. So I would like to save this in my library. So right click an empty space, scroll down to select all, right click again and select save preset. You can then name your preset. So I will name this Zoo Impact Preset Kyle. You can also give a description to this. Scroll down and select Anchor to Endpoint and select OK. Now if you would like to use that preset in the future, go over to the Effects panel, scroll down to Presets and you will see your Zoom Blur Impacts preset Kyle. Simply click it and drag it onto your video. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe.